Hey guys, I'm back with yet another fantastic video for you. In this video, we'll cover inspection checklists, why they're important, and how you can use them to supercharge your business. So let's jump right into it. So just what is a quality control checklist? An inspection checklist, or also known as an inspection criteria sheet, is essentially a guide that specifies the quality, appearance, packaging, color, possible damages, functions, barcodes, and special requirements for your product. So why is the checklist important? First, it ensures both you and your factory know the exact specifications and expected quality of your final product. Don't assume your factory knows what you want. Secondly, it acts as a guide for an inspection company like Inspectorman to use while inspecting your product. Since you should know your product better than anyone else, your input is invaluable during the inspection process. And 3, it helps you identify the most important and critical features, weaknesses, and strengths of your product. This helps in setting yourself apart from competitors. Using your competitors' reviews, you can determine what you want and what you don't want to see in your product. It's also important to mention that you should regularly review your inspection checklist to ensure that it takes customer feedback into account. This helps you to maintain high quality and have a superior product continually. Since your factory is normally in another country, like China, it's also important that your inspection checklist provides accurate criteria for inspecting products to ensure your country's regulatory standards are met. If you want to find out more about how you can make an inspection checklist, I'll leave a link below to a full step-by-step guide on how to do this. So, there you have it. I hope this video will help you improve product quality, customer satisfaction, and lead to more sales. Please don't forget to leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up.